how to make your Instagram account private. Hello, what's up everybody, welcome to another Instagram video tutorial. This is Amir. You are watching Android Tech YouTube channel. In this Instagram video today I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. So without spending more time, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to open your Instagram app that you have already installed. So if you want to make your Instagram account private, so you just need to simply first of all tap on your profile and then tap on three lines on the top right side of the screen. So you will see guys setting option here. You just need to tap on a setting option and you will get all the information regarding your account. So here you just need to select the privacy and security option, and you will be get once again a lot of options in the privacy and security setting. You just need to tap on the account privacy and you will get a private account option. Which one is disabled right now because I have not enabled the private account setting. So if you want to make your Instagram account private, so you just need to simply switch the private account button and it will ask you a confirmation, or you really want to change your private account. So you just need to tap on the OK, and finally you just need to tap on once again arrow back. So I want to just tap on once again account privacy. So guys, you will realize that the private account option is enabled. So this is a very simple way to make your Instagram account private, so anybody does not enable to see your post and your basic information regarding your Instagram accounts. So by the help of using the private Instagram account feature, so you can simply make your all accounts private from the public, so anybody does not enable to see your pictures and your stories as well as the highlights on Instagram. So you can only display the thing for the custom peoples that you want to see the things with your limited friends. So in this video I have shown you how to make your Instagram account private using a basic settings from the Instagram app. So this is all about the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you get more videos regarding Instagram, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming and latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.